Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Chaitanya talking bot. Today's lesson is titled The Future of AI, Emerging Paradigms and Research Frontiers. AI isn't just a sci-fi movie anymore. It's the code you'll write, the apps you'll build, and the problems you'll solve. We're going beyond what I can do today and looking at what it will do tomorrow. As a developer, understanding these emerging trends isn't just cool, it's essential. Think of it as getting a sneak peek at the new tools in your developer toolkit before everyone else. Most AI you hear about today uses supervised learning. Imagine teaching a child by showing them a million flashcards. This is a cat, this is a dog. You need tons of labeled data. For a developer, this means manually gathering and labeling massive datasets, which is time-consuming and expensive. What if AI could learn without us holding its hand for every single step? That's where the future begins. Instead of flashcards, imagine giving the child a huge library of books and letting them figure out grammar, vocabulary, and meaning on their own. This is self-supervised learning, SSL. The AI creates its own learning tasks from in-labeled data. For example, it might hide a word in a sentence and try to predict it. As a developer, you design these clever, pretext tasks and feed the AI massive amounts of raw, in-labeled data. Like all the text on the internet, it's like building an auto-discovery engine for knowledge. Picture training a dog. You give it a treat for good behavior, and no treat, or a slight scolding, for bad. Reinforcement learning, RL, works similarly. An AI agent learns to achieve a goal by interacting with an environment, receiving rewards for good actions and penalties for bad ones. It learns through trial and error, just like a human baby learning to walk. For developers, this means designing the environment, a simulated world, defining the actions the AI can take, and crafting the reward system that guides its learning. This is powerful for complex decision-making. Imagine a master chef who knows how to prepare a huge variety of dishes. Given just basic ingredients, foundation models, like ChatGPT's underlying tech, are similar. They are massive AI models trained on a vast amount of diverse data. Text, images, code, etc. Once this general knowledge base can then be quickly adapted, or fine-tuned, for many specific tasks with much less effort. As a developer, you won't always build these from scratch. You'll learn to leverage their APIs, provide specific instructions, prompts, or fine-tune them with your unique data to build incredible applications. Humans don't just process text or images in isolation. We combine all our senses. Multimodal AI is about building AI that can understand and generate information across different modes like text, images, audio, and video at the same time. Think of an AI that can describe a picture, answer questions about a video, or even generate a song from a text description. For developers, this opens up new possibilities for user interfaces, content creation, and intelligent assistants that can understand the world more completely, just like we do. As AI becomes more powerful, we need to ensure it's fair, safe, and transparent. Ethical AI focuses on designing AI systems that avoid bias, respect privacy, and benefit society. Explainable AI, XAI, is about making AI's decisions understandable to humans. Why did the AI recommend that loan? Why did it reject this application? For developers, this means not just building powerful models, but also incorporating tools and practices to audit their behavior, understand their internal workings, and ensure they are used responsibly and justly. It's about being a responsible architect of the future. While the software paradigms are exciting, the hardware powering AI is also evolving rapidly. Quantum AI explores how quantum computers, with their unique processing power, could solve currently intractable AI problems. Neuromorphic computing aims to build computer chips that mimic the structure and function of the human brain, making AI hardware more energy efficient and powerful. As a developer, you might not be coding quantum algorithms tomorrow, but being aware of these architectural shifts helps you understand the true potential and future limitations of the systems you'll be building on. The future isn't just smarter software, but also revolutionary hardware. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.